Hey everybody, Patrick here from MASC and shopmask.com. Today I wanted to talk to you about some of Bathorium's treatment soaps, and specifically these ones are their clay mineral soaps. So there's 3 of them. There's Emerald Detox, Amber Glow, Golden Hour, and I'll briefly talk about each, but all 3 of them use French gray sea salt, which has 17 times more trace minerals than Epsom salt, so instead of a bath, it actually feels more like a massage. The Emerald Detox is really good for detoxification and sleep. Helps to exfoliate, helps to repair. It has montmorillonite clay, antioxidant-rich spirulina, matcha green tea. This is going to help to boost circulation. This one just leaves you feeling recharged and restored. Amber Glow is going to help with relaxation and hydration. It has French red clay, Haya, African watermelon seed, steam distilled Michelia alba. It's a detoxifying soap that's going to soothe, it's going to nourish, gently exfoliates, and then it just leaves your skin feeling like nice and soft and glowy. And the last one is Golden Hour. Really good one if you're feeling a little under the weather. What's going to also help you with clearing your sinuses, so some detoxification, so getting all those toxins out. It's going to provide a sense of calm. So this one has French yellow clay, cold pressed mandarin, marjoram, and fresh ginger extract. Leaves you feeling refreshed, rebalanced, completely blissed out after this. Each of these bags is for 3 uses. Instead of using just a regular bath salt or a bubble bath, I think these are the times when you're really needing some downtime. You're just gonna give yourself that time and space. So kind of like a special sort of at-home spa treatment.